Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark for Loose Reviews, back again with another video. Today I got something special. We're doing a review of a portable power bank from a company called Replitronics, alright? The Hotline 1600 power bank, alright? But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you're notified of new videos. Tell a friend, and tell that friend to tell a friend, and tell that friend to tell a friend, alright? Alright. Also, stay tuned toward the end of the channel so I get some information on giveaways on the channel, alright? Alright. Now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Alright. Like I said, this is your boy Mark for Loose Screws Reviews, back giving another video. Like I said earlier, I got something special and nostalgic, you know what I'm saying? Something from, you know, back in the day, you know what I'm saying? It's the Replitronics Hotline 1600 power bank, right? You say, Mark, what's so special about that? Well, give me a minute. Alright. No, but basically, it's a power bank that looks like a Sony Walkman from back in the 80s or the early 90s. Alright? But I'm going to show you the back of the box before we go get into it. It's just the back of the box. And this is the website and everything. And I'm going to leave a link down in the description box below to where you can get one for yourself and you go check it out a little bit more. Alright? But let me go and open the box so I can show you what I'm talking about. Bam. I already had that playing with it, so, you know, it's been out of the box. You got your little instruction booklets with, probably ain't really need it. A little paper. Comes with a USB-C charging cable. That's cool. That's cool. It comes with that. Put that to the side. Take the Walkman out. Well, I'm finna say take the Walkman. Take the power bank out. I'm going to go ahead and toss this box to the side because I don't need that box in my way. Alright. Start of the show. Toss this set to the side. The start of the show is here. A 1600 mAh power bank. It looks like, you see I scratched it because I've been playing with it. But it looks like a Sony Walkman. It looks like a Sony Walkman. I mean, when I saw it, I was browsing through the interwebs and saw this. I was like, I got to get my hands on this. This is crazy. It looks crazy. And it ain't so much that it's just a power bank. It's a wireless charging power bank with fast charge. So you can fast charge your phone wirelessly right with the power bank. 10 watt fast charge wirelessly. I mean, come on, man. It's 1600 watt. So you can probably charge your, you probably charge a Note 8 maybe 2-3 times. I'm not sure, just depending on what your battery level is at the time. But this is pretty cool. Let me let you look at it. All right, as you can see here, it looks like you got a cassette up in here, but you can't open it, so it's just for looks. All right, right here you got your, like from back in the day, you got your little sliders over here for your volume controls and whatever, bass and treble, whatever. And you got your little eject button right here. Make it look like it eject, play, fast forward, rewind, all that. None of these buttons right here do anything. They're just for show. That's just to kind of make it look more authentic. They're just for show. They don't do anything. So get your fidget on, whatever. You want to fidget and play around with it, that's cool. Alright, here are the controls that work. Alright. You got your power button. And you got your LED flashlight, your charging slot, USB-C charging slot, and you got a micro charging slot, and you got your other charge. You got your other cord where you can put your cord in and charge it. All right, all right. I'm getting tongue-tied. Just so excited. Here's the power button. You can press the power button, and you can see. So get my camera to focus. Come on, focus, camera, focus. Alright, you see the LEDs right here, and if I hold it down for 2 seconds or 3 seconds, a flashlight comes on. Do the same to turn the flashlight off, and bam, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Alright, pretty much it. Alright, nothing too fancy, just a portable power bank. Oh, let me show the wireless charge. Alright, I got a little old what is this, a Note Galaxy Edge. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on here. Make sure you have the power button on there so it'll start charging. It's kind of slippery. These phones are slippery. I had to make sure you got it powered on. Once you get it on here, bam, charging. And you'll see in a minute. It's going to show you if it's fast charging or not. Fast charging. Look at that. Wirelessly. Fast charging. Too cool. And you probably wonder, can you charge 2 devices at one time? Well, let's see. Let's see. So that's charging. And I'm going to take it off. I'm going to plug the cable in here and plug up my Note 8. Alright, my Note 8 is charging. I don't think it's fast charging. It's regular charging, so I'm gonna put this on here to see if it'll charge. You can wirelessly charge and charge another device at the same time. Yep. So it's not only charging, got this glare from my ring light. It's not only charging my cell phone. You barely can see it because my ring light. Let me turn my ring light down. It's charging my cell phone, and it's charging, wirelessly charging the Galaxy Edge. So yeah, you can charge 2 devices at one time. So one could be sitting here wirelessly charging, the other one could be plugged up. That's too cool. That's too cool. Let me unplug this dirty phone. I'm gonna upgrade one day. I know I keep saying I'm gonna upgrade. I'm gonna upgrade one day. Anyway, yeah. That's too cool. Wireless charger phone. Bam. Like I said, this is a 1600 mAh, 16,000 mAh portable power bank. Like I said, looks just like a Sony Walkman from back in the day. It looks like it got like a recording grill, like a little. Even it got the little power looking port right here, like you would use back in the day to charge it or whatever. That's man. I mean, they did a good job with it. It's just something to bring back memories from back in the day. You know what I'm saying? Just something nostalgic. All right. So, like I said, let me do a little recap. All right. You got quick charge on here. Quick charge, 10-watt fast charging wirelessly. Then you got, you can go ahead and plug your phone up in there, charge it. You can charge 2 devices at one time. You got a micro USB. You got the micro USB right here, and you got your USB-C charging slot, and you got an LED flashlight. All right. So basic and simple. Basic and simple. All right. And you can. I'm gonna bring this over you closer where you can see it. Some specs on here. Come on, camera, focus. Focus, camera. I have the hardest time with this camera focusing. Come on, focus, baby. I keep moving. So if you guys can see that, I know my camera is being hard-headed today. But anyway, there's some more specs on here. But like if you're in the market for something like this is pretty cool. And basically, it's a conversation piece. You know what I'm saying? Once things get back to normal and you're able to go out and if you have this sitting on your desk or you're out having lunch or dinner or whatever, and you have this sitting out there. People going to be like, what is that? You got a Walkman? You still rocking a Walkman? Where you get a Walkman from? No, man. No, baby. This is a battery charger, man. They're going to be like, what? What? I mean, like I say, it's a conversation starter, and it's something nostalgic for, people from back, when you grew up in the 80s and in the early 90s, all right? So, yeah. All right, that's been my quick review. I'm going to leave a link to where you can get this from. I think the price is like $39.99 on Amazon. But I'm going to leave a link down in the description box down below to where you can check it out. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button at the same time. So you got the link down there so you can go check it out for yourself. And also go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Don't hurt. All right? All right. But appreciate your time checking out the video. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell to notify new videos. Tell a friend, and tell that friend, tell a friend. And once we get to the 2,000 subscriber mark, I'm going to be doing giveaways of some of the products that I review right here on the channel. Like I said, once we get to 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to start doing giveaways of some of the, I'm going to pick a few products, certain products, and then I'm going to do giveaways of some of the products I review right here on the channel, all right? Once we get to 2,000 subscribers, all right? All right, let's make that happen. We can get that done by the end of the year, all right? That's our goal by the end of the year, get that 2,000. Alright? Alright? This has been your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views. Now I appreciate you guys taking out the time. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated, alright? Alright. The message for today is be responsible. Be a responsible person, alright? Take care of your responsibilities and don't throw them on nobody else, and just be a responsible person. That's the message for today. This has been your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views. Drop the mic and I'm out. Peace.